In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Squarespace site styles, a crucial skill for anyone looking to customize their online presence. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is the starting point for managing all aspects of your site. Once you're there, look for and click on the Website section. This area is essentially your dashboard for all things design related on Squarespace. After accessing the website area, direct your attention to a tab labeled Styles. By clicking on Styles, you're unlocking the settings that define the core look and feel of your site. It's here that you can start to shape the character of your online space. But it doesn't stop there. Next, click on Themes. This section will present you with various preset themes. Themes serve as foundational layouts and design schemes that can significantly influence the aesthetic appeal of your site. Take a moment to explore and select a site theme that resonates with your brand's vision. Don't worry if you're not sure. You can always change it later. After selecting a theme, it's time to move on to fonts. Fonts play a massive role in communicating the tone and personality of your content. Click on Fonts and choose a typeface that complements your site's style and messaging. Keep in mind the readability and visual harmony as you make your selection. Once you have your fonts sorted out, navigate over to the Colors tab. Inside, you'll be met with a spectrum of color palettes. These colorways are instrumental in setting the mood and inviting the right kind of audience to your site. Be thoughtful with your choices here, as colors can evoke different emotions and perceptions. Next up, it's time to focus on buttons. Click on Buttons and choose a style that encourages user interaction. Buttons should be inviting and clear, drawing your visitors' eyes to important calls to action. Now, let's switch our focus to forms, which are crucial for collecting information from your users. Hit the Forms tab and decide on a style that fits your overall design but remains functional and user-friendly. The final step is crucial. Ensure that all your hard work does not go to waste. Click on Save to preserve your updates and bring your new site styles to life. This action will cement all your changes and make them visible to anyone visiting your site. And just like that, you have successfully updated your Squarespace site styles. Remember that the look and feel of your site hugely impact visitor perception and interaction, so taking the time to carefully curate these elements is absolutely worth it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!